What's good with the gang? It's your boy GTB Quiet back with another video, and today guys, as you can see, my hair is just looking crazy. So what we about to do right now is cut this. I'm about to cut it off.
On a whole different level, the fuck is you doing? It's time to get back in the motion. I need a promotion. Trying to get high on the whole nother dose. That's money for both of us. I'm back on the road for the both of us. I just caught 2 3 for both of us. Girl, what do you think about both of us? She said that that's crazy, that's both of us. Baby, I guess this is crazy love. I don't play around with baby love.
Not yet. But I'm about to line myself up. Hopefully, hopefully everything come together when I do it. I want you guys to rate me in the comments below. Let me know 1 through 10. Did I do a good job? Make sure you guys let me know. Man, this is crazy. Because I know my hair is. Should I line this up? Anyways, let's get into this video. So I got my little clippers. And I'm going to use my first guard, a 3mm. First guard gonna be a 3mm. So let's do it. Let's go. And you know how I do, y'all. Oh, wait. I know my hair looking crazy in the back, but I'm gonna start with the front right now with you guys. Oh, wait, I'm gonna get my brush. I got 2 brushes in here for the edge up. Let me see what we're working with right now. Don't mind my little toothbrush. You know they use this in the barbershop sometimes. Depending on who you going to. Especially when you in somebody's basement. But we about to see what Quiet can do. We about to see what type of time Quiet on. Yo, listen. If I'm nice with it, right? If I'm nice with it and my joint come out crispy, I'm going around cutting people's hair. For real, for real. So let me take this guard off, wipe this off. Oh, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned for this summer. Please stick around for this summer. Let your friends know I will be doing a custom pair of Air Force Ones for myself, and it's gonna be dope. So I want you guys to see me do it, and I want you guys to see me put it on my feet, and I'm gonna do a vlog for that day with the feet. Let's get into it. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous right now. I ain't even gonna cap. I'm nervous as hell right now. That wasn't know the worst part of being on quarantine lockdown is when you can't go get no acne. Or she can't come get some act right. I got act right in the room, but I'm saying for y'all. Yeah. Okay. Coming out just a little bit. Okay. Okay, hold on. Gotta catch it like the barber shop. Hey yo, don't mind my bumps on my head. That's crazy. I got 3 of them joints on my head too. Hold on, let me go get my brush. Like I do it way better when I got the brush instead of the damn toothbrush. Let me see. Okay. Okay, that's my line right there. Gotta move aside. How I'm doing, y'all? Let me know right now how I'm doing. So since my face won't go in, I'm gonna just line it all up. Quarantine really got boys in the crib, you hear me? It's crazy. So that's a one-time thing, and when the barber shop open, I'm Skippy, I'm in there. Your boy definitely in there. I hate when they connect like in the middle. Should I let this grow in? I feel like I shouldn't even let this grow in. I feel like, cause like my face so like smooth, you feel me? Like it's, I don't know, I feel like I got a baby face, but I'm not really into this whole facial. But I take this over the whole situation, for real, because I just like how my face sit once I got this cut, and once I did get the lineup and stuff. I like how my face sit when I'm in the camera. Like, I like how my face sit, because I feel like a goatee or just like chin hair, and you know what I'm saying, and it just the top hair, I feel like that go with me. It fits me, you feel me? So I don't try to be like everybody else, like everybody else be trying to do, you feel me? I ain't even left-handed. That's the crazy part. It's like I can't do nothing with my left hand except for drive. That's the only thing. Like that's the only thing I can do with my left hand is like drive. That's it. Like. But yeah, let me finish. I'm about to a lot of men might say this is weird, but to me it's not weird, and I don't got no feminine side in me. But when I get my lineup done, I like to get my eyebrows done. No, I don't like to get them waxed or nothing like that. I like to shape up my eyebrows. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with my hair. Let me know in the comment section below if I did a good job, what you would rate me as. Not myself, I don't care if you rate me, but how did I do? As you can see in the beginning of the video, my hair was a mess. You could just tell, like, we under quarantine, you feel me? So let me know in the comment section below how I did, if you like it. So yeah, anyways, like I was saying, man, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for post notifications and turn your notifications on, especially if you are new to this channel. I would really appreciate it, guys. We are rising to the top together. So guys, I appreciate you for watching my video. I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me through this long ride. You guys, we don't have a long way to go, but we will get there soon. And once we get there, guys, my promise to you guys is to give back. Yes, give back to the community. So let's go, guys. Let's rise to the top. It's your boy GTB Quiet.
I don't play around with baby love, pressing your heart with a baby snub. Don't you try to cross me or play love. I need to eat when I wake up. Come to put